May buntag by it's around 11:30 and I need to be at Kais at 12. So I need to go to the other house and just take a shower and everything else. So I know weather's good today, but I need to start moving because yeah, it's we need to start moving. Tabulakaw, say hello to the lemon and to the basil. Yeah. Correct. Okay, finally panong ko ilakay and I'm so late. That thing's like fucked. So Kai, late ko. Padong na ko ha. Padong na ko. Bisa kasabot. Long weather karon kay local ba pro nakasulat nga 15 degrees sa auto. Pero init kay siya. Grabe ang sun ba. That could be the reason why sa new house na murag warm pa kay siya permi. I'm here with Kais. Let's go. Oh, and this is the future editing me. And the thing is, after this has happened, the thing is, I just went to Kai's house. I put my camera at the side, and I was with videographers and photographers. So what happened was, I just decided to spend my time with them and then just chat. Because the thing is, when I'm working and I'm with these guys, I was with a single soul gang. You basically bring a camera with you and just start shooting and everything. So I decided I'll just not use a camera. But I was tempted to. I used my film camera, which was the Ricoh GR1 film camera, 35 millimeter film camera on a 28 millimeter lens. Too much blabber. Anyway, muna siya. Tapos ano, nag-English mo kubsaya mo siya nga vlog. Oh, basta. Muna siya mga picture atong event, atong nahitabo. Sige. And after that, uli. Wala nahitabo. Oh, nagdala di ko pagkaon din. Nagdala ko ng pagkaon. Kaya mo ng mga video, but yan, nagdala ko ng pagkaon. So, there's that. So, may buntag by. Today is like, udto na. Dapat sa'yo kung bata ganina, but I don't want, I won't play. Anyway, yeah, yesterday, wala ko maman ng vlog kay. When I got to Kai's place, I just decided to like spend time with my friends, so I can just post photos lang. But other than that, yeah, that's what happened. And now today it's noon. It's supposed to be early kay magkuhan ko sa basura. And we're cleaning house, so we need to get a lot of basura. But the thing is, I don't know. I don't know if I can make it, but we'll try our best to get this thing out. And just want to say good morning or good noon. So let's start our day today. Ulipyuhan, murasyan ka ng hugbo kay ba? So I'll give it time, but yeah, I really want to do it now, but I shouldn't. Super gloomy and windy. Tanawar ko ng lemon na mo. Hampas kay sa kanang kuan hangin. Anyway, gloomy niya paabot sa basura. Hindi na naitawag ng kanang namunit o kanang mga botilya ba, kanang mga 10 cents man ang pa-replace sa mga kuan, sa mga botilya or kanang kuan sito kana kanang bottles sa drinks. Yeah, kung isulog kapon mo kaya puro akong matulog. Unto na, I need to move. Yes, I need to move. Let's move. Ulan. Muna yung mga lipyuhanan. Patay tani. Ayaw may kutanganan sa banyo. And I have this space here. 20 centimeters space. Kutangan ito nagkabilit niya. Okay, wala nang kutangan sa mga stuff. So we're gonna put it here. Yeah. So, yeah. 20 centimeter width. So, patiks ka na siya. Slim. Ubo na siya. Pero, paisa na siya. Daog. Let's put it in there. Tani, diatay. Let's go. Well, pasensya, pildi. Grabe, napagid siya mga lungag ba? Yan na sila yung lungag ganito. So, mag-mount ka and mount ka sa kilid na pilayan ganito. Dagang kay pieces ba? Kana siya, lock siya para sa screw dito. Grabe ha. Sabi na kong dalira. Lisod. Pero kaya ka na ako. For a normal person, lisod ni. Let's go. No langas, but finally it's here. Tara siya. So we were able to put it there. Sakto na kayo. Init. But yeah. How it is. Turo sa Enso ko this one ba? 20 cm. And these are drawers. Awesome. So, muna siya. Mo tulog mo. Ano ko sulod kay Brad. Nabihin na kayo sa ginang kuti-kuti. And see you next time. Bye-bye. So final review, paneled slim 5-tier unit from Kmart is not easy to do kung normal ka. Dapat sito-sito sa gagamay. Kasi medyo kuti siya. And you would need a lot of screwing. So, yeah, that's it.